10 after a long gap, we are coming back to exercise 1.5 equations in two variables. So the question number third, remaining sums I am not taking because those we have done already. Those are the simple sums. The word problems are a big problem generally for the students. So let us go for this. Question number 3, the sum of father's age and twice the age of his son is 70 years. If we double the age of father and add to the age of his son, the sum is 95, find their ages. Solution, let father's age equal to x years and son's age equal to y years. Now what is the first condition? The sum of father's age and twice the age of his son means x plus 2y is equal to 70. From first condition, x sum of father's age x and twice the age of his son means 2 times of y, 2y is equal to 70. This is number 1. Now in the second condition, if we double the age of father, double the age of father means 2x and add to the age of his son, then the sum is 95 years. From second condition, similarly, from second condition, double the age of father and add to the son's age, that is 95. This is number 2. Now equate the coefficient, make this double and subtract from this. Multiply equation 1 by 2. Therefore, 2x plus 4y multiplying by 2 is equal to 140. This is equation number 3. Now subtract this equation from this. Subtract equation 2 from equation 3. Therefore, equation 2 I am subtracting. So this I will write 2x plus 4y is equal to 140. This is number 3. And 2 is 2x plus y is equal to 95. This is number 2. So make the change in the signs. That is equal. So this will get cancelled, this will get cancelled, and this is 3y. 10 minus 5 is 5. Carry 1. 10. 45. Therefore, y is equal to 45 upon 3. That is equal to 15. What is y? Son's age. Now x plus, this I will take 2x plus y equal to 95. This is equation number 2. Therefore, 2x plus y means 15 is equal to 95. Therefore, 2x is equal to 95 minus 15. Therefore, 2x is equal to 80. Therefore, x is equal to 40. Find their ages. Father's age equal to 40 years. Son's age is equal to 15 years. So these are the answers. This was a simple sum. So take a screenshot if you need. I am rubbing this. The fifth one, two types of the boxes. boxes A and B are to be placed in a truck, are to be placed in a truck having capacity 10 tons. When 150 boxes, when 150 boxes of A type and 100 boxes of B type and 100 boxes of B type are loaded in a truck, are loaded in a truck it weighs 10 tons. It weighs 10 tons. But when 260 boxes of A type, 260 boxes of A type are loaded in the truck, it can still accommodate 40 boxes of B type. It can still accommodate 40 boxes of B type. So that it is fully loaded. That it is fully loaded. Find the weight of each type of the box. Find the weight of each type of the box. So this is once again a simple question. Two types of the boxes A and B. What is the weight of each A type box? I don't know. B, I don't know. So let the weight of A type box be X kg, B type box be Y kg. If I put those and they are put in the truck having the capacity of 10 tons, means more than we cannot. When 150 boxes of A type means 150 X and 100 boxes of B type means 100 into Y are loaded in the truck, it can weigh 10 tons, that is equal to 10 tons, 10 into 1000. But when 260 boxes, means 260 of A type means 260X are loaded, still it can accommodate 40 boxes of B type means 40Y. Then again it will be 10 tons. Okay, solution. Let the weight of each A type box is equal to X kg and that of B type box is equal to Y kg. Capacity of the truck is capacity of the truck is equal to 10 ton. That is equal to 10 into 1000 kg. That is equal to 10,000 kg. Now from first condition, what is in the first condition? A type boxes 150, their weight will be 150x, 150x plus B type boxes 100, 100x, 100y is equal to 10 ton. Now I can cancel it. I can divide by 10 throughout. Therefore, if I divide by 10, this will be 15x plus 10y is equal to, this one will get cut. So that will be 1000. Once again I can divide by 5. Therefore 3x plus 2y is equal to 5 to the 200. Here you give the reason divided by 10. And this is number 1 and give the reason divided by 5. Okay. From second condition, similarly, from second condition, in second condition, what is that? 260 of A type and remaining 40 of B type. So 260x plus 40y is equal to, still the weight will be 10 tons. So first of all divide by 10. Therefore this will be 26x plus this will be 4y and this will be 100 will be cut. Divide by 10. Again I can divide by 2. Therefore 13x plus 2y is equal to 2 5 are 10, means 500. dv by 2, this is equation number 2 and dv by 2. Now check this, the coefficient 1 and 2, these are same. So subtract this equation from this. Subtract equation which is smaller, one number is smaller, 1 from equation 2. So 1 I am subtracting, so this I will write up. So 13x plus 2y is equal to 500. This is equation number 2. And the one number is 3x plus 2y is equal to 200. This is equation number 1. I am subtracting, so give minus sign and change the signs. And this is equal to 300. This 2y get cancelled. This will be 10x. Therefore, x is equal to 30. So A type boxes weight is 30 kg. Now B type boxes. This is the smaller one. 3x plus 2y is equal to 200 from equation number 1. Therefore, 3 into x is 30 plus 2y is equal to 200. Here you give the result, put x equal to 30. Therefore, this is 90. 2y is equal to 200 minus 90. Therefore, y is equal to, this will be 110. This is into, it will become upon 2, and therefore y is equal to 55. So answer, you will write answer, weight of A type box is equal to 30 kg. Weight of B type box is equal to 55 kg. And this way, this is the answer. So hope that you have understood this. So I am rubbing this. In the next I will take to another fifth and the fourth and the sixth. Those are also important. In the next video I will discuss it. So bye till then.